That's the bump. Good afternoon, guys. My name is Ryan, and I'm going to be your host of this crossing. But the other side, we're going to be switching sides, so you guys might be missing any views. Guys, have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. You guys are going to take a lovely family photo. I'm glad to do so. So to start things off, guys, over on the right side here, we have the Niagara River. If you guys look way upstream, you can see it's whitewater rapids. But those rapids are coming towards us at the speed of 35 to 40 kilometers an hour. They're classified as Class 6, making them the most dangerous rapids in all of North America. And obviously for a tidal like that, there's nothing around in the rapids or this water whatsoever. So there's no kayaking, no rafting, definitely no swimming, or nothing. There is, however, one thing allowed, and those are Whirpool jet boats. If you guys look right downstream, you can see a big concrete wall. That is the Robert Moses Stranding Station. Right in front of it, on the Canadian side, is the Sir Adam Beck Power Station. When you guys look out to the right side, on the cliff right out in front of you guys, you may notice the rocks are very flat smooth. This is because a long time ago, Niagara Falls was going down right there in front of you guys. So basically, every year the falls moves more south due to erosion on the rocks. So if you guys go back in time a long time ago, at one point the falls would have been going down right there in front of you guys. Now it's time for the left side. So at this moment, we are currently 230 feet above ground level, and for the whirlpool itself, it's roughly 126 feet deep in the center, and it's up to 35 to 50 deep on the shorelines. So at most, you guys can walk out 3 to 5 feet. After that, you guys are guaranteed to hit that 50-foot drop-off. That's why there's no swimming, plus the current too. And for those of you on the left side again, you guys look down at the whirlpool's edge, you may notice it's rotating in a counterclockwise direction. This is because at this time of day, the power stations down the river have their gates closed, forcing all the extra water back up here into the whirlpool. But between the hours of